Hi everyone, welcome to today's Current Affairs Daily Notes. Today's topic is Anti-Honor Killing Bill passed by Rajasthan. I'm Ritwisha from GKToday and let us begin. The Rajasthan Prohibition of Interference with the Freedom of Matrimonial Alliances in the Name of Honor and Tradition Bill 2019 was passed by a voice vote. So today we are going to discuss what is honor killing, why does Rajasthan need special laws to prevent honor killings, what are Khap Panchayats, what are the key provisions of the bill passed, and possible questions. What is honor killing? Killing of a relative, generally a female, who is supposed to have brought dishonor on the family through the acts of intercaste marriage or interreligious marriage is defined as honor killing. There are other instances also, but this is the most prevalent form. The reasons for this are rigidity of the caste system, illiteracy and unawareness about the rights of people. There are also Khap Panchayats and danger of losing prestige and status in society. Now, looking at the statistics, say we go 3 years back, in 2015 alone, 251 honor killings were registered in India. And the honor killings have been reported mainly in the Indian states of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, while it is also widespread in South India and the western Indian states of Gujarat and Maharashtra. Why does Rajasthan need special laws to prevent honor killing? In the past 5 years in the state of Rajasthan alone, 71 cases of illegal diktat given by Khap Panchayats, which are caste councils and function like kangaroo courts, were registered, and 10 cases of honor killing occurred in which 4 men and 8 women were killed. Such cases have increased in the past few years and have become hurdles in societal development. Sections of the IPC and CRPC were not adequate in dealing with such cases. Such crimes are also in violation of the United Nations Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination against Women, which provides that women should have the right to freely choose a spouse. These actions of honor killing are also violative of certain fundamental rights in the Constitution of India, including the right to life and liberty, which includes the right to bodily integrity and the right to choose whom to associate with. What are Khap Panchayats? Khap is a cluster of villages united by caste and geography, and all the men and women, boys and girls within a Khap are considered brothers and sisters. In Khap Panchayats, the leadership is to be chosen on the parameters of social status, stature, age, gender, financial power, etc. These are not truly democratic bodies, but a consultative process is formally observed where the decisions are respected by the community under peer pressure to shun social stigma for a failure to adhere to the decisions. The principle of natural justice is hardly observed. Social boycotts and fines are the major tools for implementing the orders of Khap Panchayats. What are the key provisions of this bill? This bill upholds Supreme Court judgment that adults are free to marry persons of their own choice, and hurting couples or summoning them before clan members, groups or a khap is absolutely illegal. Now the provisions include punishment of death penalty or life imprisonment till natural death for killing a couple or either of them in the name of honor, and with fine which may extend to Rs 5 lakh. If the couple or either of them is grievously hurt, the punishment will be from 10 years rigorous imprisonment to imprisonment for life and with fine of maximum Rs 3 lakh, whereas the punishment will be 3 to 5 years imprisonment with fine which may extend to Rs 2 lakhs in the case of simple injuries. Subdivisional magistrate or the district magistrate shall receive any request or information from any person or persons seeking protection from any unlawful assembly or from any other person who is likely to or who have been objecting to any lawful marriage. No person or group shall assemble at any time with the view or intention to deliberate on or condemn any marriage not prohibited by the law, on the basis that such marriage has dishonored the caste or community tradition or brought disrepute to all or any of the persons forming part of the assembly or the family or the people of the locality concerned. Such gathering shall be treated unlawful, and every person convening or organizing such assembly and every member thereof participating therein directly or indirectly shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term not less than 6 months, but may extend to 5 years, and shall also be liable to fine which may extend up to rupee 1 lakh. Now let us move to possible questions. The new bill makes holding meetings for dash illegal. So we just read that any gathering which indirectly or directly takes place to condemn any marriage, or they want to deliberate on the intentional view of that marriage which is not prohibited by law, will be made illegal. So the correct answer here is of course option C, to pass judgment on marriages. That's all for this video. If you want to read more about Rajasthan Prohibition of Interference with the Freedom of Matrimonial Alliances in the Name of Honor and Tradition Bill 2019, simply follow the link in the description below. And if you liked our efforts, please do like, share and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye and good luck.